The International Master in Luxury Management is a prestigious dual degree program offered jointly by the NEOMA Business School in France and Polimi Graduate School of Management in Italy. This program represents a unique collaboration, combining the rich heritage of French and Italian expertise in the luxury sector with strategic partnerships with leading luxury firms. Our primary objective is to provide students with a comprehensive understanding of value creation and value management within the luxury industry. At NEOMA Business School, students are equipped with a strategic mindset towards luxury brands. At Polimi Graduate School of Management, students explore the operational aspects of value creation and delivery. The International Master in Luxury Management offers a unique blend of French and Italian luxury culture, providing students with hands-on learning, experience and insights from leading brands. We focus on empowering students with the skills, knowledge, critical thinking and networks crucial for success in the luxury industry, preparing them for real-world challenges. Our goal is to set students up for success by providing practical skills and fostering lasting connections in the sector. You will have the opportunity to earn a specialized double degree from NEOMA Business School and Polimi Graduate School of Management, two esteemed institutions in the field of luxury management. You will prepare yourself for an immersive experience in the world of French and Italian luxury. You will have the chance to explore the rich heritage and innovation of those two iconic luxury markets. Our program is built on project-based approach, meaning you will engage directly with industry professionals. Events like Paris Week and the Italian Way provide hands-on learning experience where you will dive deep into the various facets of luxury management. Networking is key in the world of luxury, and our program facilitates connections with alumni, headhunters, and industry leaders. These connections often lead to valuable career insights and opportunities. The IMLux program equips students with the skills needed to embark on their careers within prestigious international luxury companies. A majority of the graduates chose to pursue career in various areas, such as brand management, customer service, retail management, export, licensing, and beyond, demonstrating a diverse range of opportunities available in the luxury industry. Upon completion of the program, graduates may secure roles such as product manager, project development manager, merchandising manager, purchaser, management controller, supply chain specialist, and packaging and development manager, reflecting the diverse career opportunities available in the luxury industry. Unlock your future in luxury. Join us to master the art of elegance, strategy, and innovation. Embrace the magic of France and Italy, where every lesson is a journey into luxury. Don't just dream it, live it with us.